If I Osimunyo no be chaplet. Onye ọbụla enyerie ma na orichagwo. Maka inye ife a gị na Chukwu ekwuvezi okwu. Ọ bụkwa nke eje gba izu. No, ị na-agwa Chukwu okwu gbamgbam gịnị ya na-ekwu. Ụna amara ife a dịka onye ji gba afa a na-abịa chụọ ego ayọrọ yọọ ife na ka na mkpọkọrọ a na-ayọ. Ife a bụ ya iwetara enyi mụchie anya kpere ekpere Chukwu a na-aza gị na Chukwu nwere ike ma gafọ na bịa afọ masa ịkpara gị na Chukwu akpara na ozugbo ya onye nyere eruguru uru ifu gị na ebe a gwuru na
To this very truth I stand, and to this very truth I will always stay to dish out the truth. I am not here to paint words with you, neither am I here to tell you what to do with your money or with your life, but the truth must be spoken at all costs. Pay very close attention to this.
Please, Mayor, I have something to say.
Yes.
In fact, I will stand up to say it.
Yes.
Was it not a few days ago that they imposed some of 100 naira levy on all of us? We are still trying to see if we can bring in and out and manage to pay that. Now they are bringing in another 150 naira for us to pay. Well, my suggestion is, if this culvert is for the community has money in the purse.
Yes.
Let us dip hand in the community purse and use that money to do the project.
And never sit down.
I will sit down. What will happen?
You will sit down. You are an anti-progress, an enemy of progress.
If you are Igbo, especially living in abroad, this story concerns you directly. Those beautiful cathedrals standing tall across Igboland did not fall from heaven. They were not built by angels. They were all built with money, your parents' money, and community pressure. Don't conclude yet, listen to me. But here is the uncomfortable question nobody likes to ask. Where exactly does all that money go? And why is it that the same communities funding massive church projects still struggle with bad road, poor schools, and no hospitals? Today, we are not attacking the faith. We are not attacking God. We are asking powerful questions. We are asking and we are questioning power, money, silence, and accountability. Inside the church, inside our culture, and even inside the government. Stay with me. Don't forget to subscribe. How faith entered Igboland. Listen. Catholics came to Igboland through missionaries. In the beginning, the church was simple. Small buildings, community worship, mission schools, mission hospital, and social works are ongoing. The focus was service, not luxury. The church educated our grandfathers, our great-grandfathers, when the colonial government did not care. It gives health care when there was none. It gives structure, strategy, discipline, and hope to the people. Because of this history, the Igbo people developed deep respect for the church. The priest was trusted. The bishop was respected. Questioning them felt like questioning God. That trust is important, but trust without accountability can become very dangerous. Here is the twist. When community contributions becomes a command, over time things begins to change. Church contribution stop being voluntarily. It becomes cultural obligation. Every family must donate. Every town union must raise money. Every diaspora branch must send dollars home. If you refuse, you are labeled not serious with God, an enemy of progress, a disgrace to your village, and a mockery to your family, or a disobedience and a rebel against the things of God. Church fundraising become tied to status. How much your family give determine how much respect you got. Gradually, faith mixed with social pressure. Part 3. The rise of mega cathedral. Pay attention. Now look around Igboland today. Huge cathedral, marble floors, imported glasses, multi-million naira altars. Ask yourself honestly, do these buildings reflect the condition of the people around them? Many villages hosting this cathedral have no clean water, have poor roads, have struggling school. Yet, week after week, more money is donated for building fund, special Thanksgiving, anniversary donation, and emergency levies. No clear budget, no breakdown, no public audit, just trust the church. There is a deep silence around church money. Here is the real issue. In most Igbo Catholic settings, you cannot ask detailed questions about money. Financial records are not public. Decisions are made by a small circle of powerful clergy and elites. If you ask questions, why does this project cost this much? You are accused of lacking in faith. But let us be honest. Faith is not blindness. Every serious institute like schools, NGO, even business rendered accounts. Why should the church be different when handling millions? In the diaspora angle, please pay attention. If you live abroad, this part is for you. Many Igbos abroad are emotionally blackmailed. Your village needs you. God has blessed you. Give back to the villagers. Give back to the church. Give back to the people. Don't forget your roots. So money is sent in dollars, in pounds, and even in euros. But how many diaspora donors see financial reports, knows project cost, get feedback beyond Thanksgiving masses? Often the answer is no. The money disappears into silence. Now let's talk about the government. Here is the twist many people avoid. Why is the church building things the government should provide? I know from the beginning you will be saying it's a government project, it's a government this, it's a government that. That is why I warned you. When coming across these my videos, always make sure you watch to the end, because we don't just follow one angle in making our video. We make sure we attack it from the source. The previous statement was to wake you up and to make you understand things, because I made it clear that this is not attack against the church or for anybody. But here is a deeper twist that many people are forgetting to talk about. Why is the church building things the government should provide? Why are churches building roads, providing healthcare, acting like development agencies? Because the government has failed. But here is the deeper problem. Politicians hide behind church projects. They donate publicly to cathedral to gain relevance, to clean their image, and to avoid accountability. A corrupt politician can steal public funds, donate a small portion to the church building, and receive blessings and praise. The church benefits, the politicians benefit, but the people lose. This is how religion, power, and government corrupt the people. Who often benefit from all of this? Listen very well. Ask yourself, do priests live better than their parishioners? Do bishops live better than the communities they serve? Do these people and projects improve daily life for ordinary people? If the answer is mostly no, then something is wrong. Jesus did not preach on marble floor. He preached care for the people. This is not attack on Christianity. Let me make this very clear for you to understand. This is not attack on hating the church. This is not about hating the church. This is not about abandoning your faith. This is about reforming your faith. A church that cannot be questioned is not spiritual. It is political. A church that handles money without transparency is not holy. It is powerful. In this conclusion, I asked a simple question to the Igbos. So I asked, has the church become more focused on building than the people? Has faith been replaced with fear and pressure? Has silence protected the wrongdoings? And most importantly, can the Igbo church choose accountability without losing their faith? I call you to action. If you have ever contributed to a cathedral, a church project, a church levy, or special appeal, share your experience in the comment section. Let us talk directly. Don't insult. Without fear, if this conversation made you uncomfortable, it means it matters. Like, share, and subscribe. And let's keep asking the questions others are afraid to ask. See you later. Thank you for watching.